Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. This Olympiad problem looks simple, but 99% students get stuck halfway. If you can solve this till the end, your problem solving level is already Olympiad ready. Let's see if you can beat this question with me. Pause this video for 10 seconds and try this Olympiad problem yourself. Most students try the wrong method first, and that's exactly where the trap is. Watch carefully till the end because the final step changes everything. So, in today's video, we will solve real Olympiad level problems step by step, no shortcut, no memorization. Today's problem tests logic, not formulas. So, stay till the end if you really want to think like an Olympiad student. Problem is m cube plus 5m equals 42. You have to find the value of m. So, how we will solve this? We will solve this question as, first of all, we will write this as m cube plus 5m minus 42 equals 0. Now we have to find the factors of this, as we will write 42 as m cube plus 5m. 42 can be write as 27 plus 15, because 27 plus 15 gives 42. Now solve this. M cube plus 5m minus 27 minus 15 equals 0. Now m cube minus 27 and plus 5m minus 15 equals 0. Now this can become m cube minus 27 can be 3 cube plus 5 can be taken as common, remaining is 5 minus 3 equals 0. Now here we will apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. So what will be the formula of a cube minus b cube? We know that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula here and get m minus 3, then m square plus 3m plus 9 and plus 5 into m minus 3 equals 0. Now we will solve this problem as we can take m minus 3 as common from this, because it is 2 times. So m minus 3 is taken as common, remaining is m square plus 3 of m plus 9 plus 5 equals 0. So 9 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So m minus 3 m square plus 3m plus 14 equals 0. So there are two possibilities. First one is we have m minus 3 equals 0, which implies m equals 3. This is the first value. Now for the other one, we will apply quadratic formula. M square plus 3m plus 14 equals 0. We will apply quadratic formula. So minus 3 plus minus b square 9 minus 4ac 14 divided by 2 of a. So 14 into 4 is 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4 plus 56. 56 minus 9. So what will happen? We will get, by applying formula, 9 minus 56 will be minus 47 divided by 2. We will write this in the complex form. So m equals minus 3 plus minus iota root 47 divided by 2. So this is the answer of m. Now we will write the final answer. That what are the values of m? So we will write that m equal 3. This is the real root. And m equals minus 3 plus minus iota root 47 by 2. So this is the final answer. In the last we will do the verification. So verify at m equal 3. What will happen to left hand side? M cube means 3 cube plus 5 of m. So 3 cube is 27 plus 15, that gives 42, which equals right hand side. So this means this answer is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.